When you know that you have to do something that has a lot of importance and that involves a lot of work, it is normal to have a prior planning to ensure that the final result will be satisfactory. When it comes to learning to speak English, it is exactly the same thing. This is why in this video we are going to talk about the process to set goals with a simple but very effective method. Before I begin, I'm going to mention a concept that is very important to establish goals in English. It is the 80-20 rule developed by an Italian economist named Vilfredo Pareto. The main idea of this rule is simple. It means that 20% of your actions will produce 80% of your results. Pareto realized that there are countless examples of real life where this principle is fulfilled, and that many are still valued today. For example, something he noticed was that in the city where he lived, 20% of the population controlled 80% of all the wealth. Applied to goal setting, we could translate it as 20% of your goals are going to give you the 80% of the results you want to get. This is something I learned from Brian Tracy, one of the most respected people in the world in the field of personal development. He explains clearly how to apply this principle to find our most important goals that are going to give us most of the results. The goal setting process is a whole science, and there are complete books on the subject. Here I'm just going to explain part of the Brian Tracy's method to set goals, and I am going to make it as simple as possible. You can download and then print out the PDF document that accompanies this video so you can write your 10 most important goals. These goals may be related to English or not. Now, it doesn't matter. In the end, you will probably realize that English is related in some way. Once you have written your 10 goals, ask yourself the following question. If I could only meet one goal, which of these goals will I choose? Then, if I could meet 2 goals, what is the second goal I will choose? Well, now you have an idea of the 20% of the goals that will give you the greatest satisfaction in your life. Now think about it for a moment. How learning to speak English relates to these goals? Ask yourself, how will learning to speak English help me achieve these 2 goals? For example, if one of those goals is to provide to your family a better lifestyle, English will surely help you to get a better job with a higher salary. Do the same thing with the second goal and the rest of your goals, so that the objective of speaking English fluently really has a purpose to be accomplished. This was just a small introduction about the goal setting process. Now, something that is going to be very helpful for you is to look for information on YouTube on how to set goals. I assure you that you will find a lot of information about it.